As promised, this is my Trading 212 ISA account. So I've swapped from AJ Bell. So if you're in the UK, AJ Bell is a more traditional brokerage where you would pay a percentage fee for the year for using the ISA account, and also you have to pay a fee for each transaction. So I was paying £9.95 per transaction, hence why I'm now on Trading 212. Now, there are plus and minus points to all these different platforms. AJ Bell, one big plus point is they've got access to pretty much every single fund you could imagine, whereas Trading 212 is slightly more limited. But saying that, there are a lot more positives and negatives with using this platform. Now, I opened it a day after the new tax year, so the 7th, and the market had just gone up so much. All the stuff I was looking at buying, I've just held off. And it's more, I'm holding off because personally I can feel that there's going to be, further downturn. I think this this brief upward swing it'll be short-lived. So here's a couple of companies I've bought into. So as you can see, Merck & Co, Microsoft. One plus point of this is that I could buy fractional shares. So I bought 0.2 shares and then bought another 0.2. So I think after I bought the 0.2 shares, the price was down 1%. And obviously because I could average in with zero fees, I brought that back down to 0.8. So you can really, one massive plus point of this platform for me anyway, is that you can average in to your positions over a longer period of time, and you can put more money in weekly even, and you're not going to be paying these stupid fees. So National Grid, again, averaged into it, and it's up 4.6%. But to be honest, all these sort of gains you can see, even like in this Merck & Co, these, everything's pretty much up this week really, so you'd have been hard pushed to find a few bad companies. Again, Pinterest, not really a company I'm massively passionate about, but I was just, getting a feel for the place, and I'm just slowly going to build up my watch list. Now, a few of the features I really do like on this Trading 212 platform is it gives you information about the company, which is fantastic, but even better, it gives you all the stats and all the financials. Dividend yield, EPS, PE ratio, revenue, absolutely fantastic. You can even click through further and get, a massive, huge plethora of information. It's fantastic. And on AJ Bell, nothing. You didn't even get an up-to-date fucking price. So, but really good. You can get full income statement, revenue, net income, profit margin. I mean, this stuff's amazing that you can just check out companies on here in a short space of time. Now, to a lot of people, this might not be anything amazing, but to me, coming from AJ Bell, living in the Stone Age, this was absolutely amazing to me. So, right, what are the features? Yeah, really, I mean, on its own, the fractional shares, obviously you can't do it in every single company, but just being able to buy it. So like say Microsoft or Apple, where, over the next year or whatever, we're going to see big volatility. It's just amazing to be able to buy into these companies and just buy small amounts, little and often, and then get the best sort of average price over the year. Really amazing feature. Now, I can't seem to find where you can auto reinvest dividends or anything yet, but it's not the end of the world, because it's just an app on your phone and you can just check it, and it doesn't take you long just to come back in and just execute a trade. And talking about executing the trades, that's another fantastic feature. Literally, you can buy in a second. So you see the live price. Obviously, we can't look at really any live prices right now. But yeah, you see a live price, and if you want to buy it, you can obviously put your limits in as well, which is even better. That's worked for me so far. But yeah, you can put your orders in, review your order, and obviously send in a buy order right now. But if you if you set a reasonable price and your buy gets fulfilled, it's done instantly. So if there's a company that you really, really want to buy, or the price has dropped and you really want to get in there, you can instantly buy. And believe me, coming from my previous platform, that some days you'd see the price and you think, wow, that's fantastic. You go buy it. They don't let you necessarily always secure the best price, depending if you buy an index fund or ETF, or if you buy individual stocks even. So yeah, I'd lost not a huge amount of money, but it all builds up. If from them dragging the feet and pissing about has cost you like £100 over the year, it's going to add up. If you could have got 10% on that or whatever, and it will add up. So anyone else who's using this, if there's any features I've missed, if you feel free to drop it in the comments. But yeah, I'm still learning on this, but I'm just blown away still that I can just drip money into it and there's zero fees. It's I'm sure the novelty will wear off after a while, but it's just really good not getting stung for fees. But yeah, that's my quick overview of this one, guys. And hope you're all well, and let's hope we all make some good gains this year.